or else first create one folder, guys. Create one folder. So comes to our location, comes to our project folder location, IIT3. This is our folder location, guys. So here the modules related we created. So here only one package I want to create, guys. One package I want to create. Okay. First of all, a package is nothing but a folder only. School management, like one folder name I'm creating. So if you want underscore separation, like if you can use, that is your wish. So this is a general folder only, guys. This is a general folder only. Okay. So this folder I want to consider as a package. This folder I want to consider as a package, guys.
Hello, may I ask you one thing, sir?
Yes, tell me.
So right now, since we are learning everything here in the PyCharm, and we also learned from Ashok sir about GitHub, how to do like GitHub things. Okay, but is it possible for you to like also let us know like sending and pushing and pulling all these things from PyCharm?
Yes, using PyCharm we can do it.
Yeah, so please
Okay.
please explain that thing to us
Yes,
also.
up to the core Python, I'm planning using this ideally, and later I will introduce about the PyCharm. For
Yeah.
example, here this is the PyCharm IDE. So here the version controlling system
Yeah,
related there. Here we can
asked
communicate
this
to
thing,
the
yeah, sir.
Git,
Yeah, please.
GitHub and all. Okay.
Everything, please explain this to
Yes.
us.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So now this is a folder, guys. Inside this, I want to create one initialization file. Then this folder is considering like a package only. So here Control N I'm using, and Control S saving the file. So where I want to save means in folder is considering like a package in Python. So now the school management folder is considering like a package. Okay. So next here, I think last session I given guys school management is like a folder. So if you want to consider this one as a folder, inside this initialization file is required, and create some modules, guys, like a students.py, one more module, and the next teachers.py, teachers.py, and the next courses.py, like some modules I want to create, and outside the package one main module I want to create. From this module I want to access these all modules. Okay, from this module. So now here folder I created, inside that initialization file I created, and these modules. So we'll create this. And inside this initialization file, generally this initialization file is empty, guys. If you want, you can also create some initialization related coding. Okay. I mean, in every module, automatically, if you want to print any statements, those statements inside this initialization file, you can create it. Okay. So just one basic line I want to print, guys, here. So print, here some string message I'm going to write. School management. School management system. So just this message I want to display, school management system package initialized. This is I want to display as an output, guys. Okay. Okay. Next, coming to the our required modules, students, teachers, courses there. So in the students module, I want to create something, guys. So first of all, create one module, Control N, Control yes, and give the name here, school management package only. Okay. So now save it, guys. Now save it. student related, student management related, simply student module related, you can create some. So here one empty list I want to create with the students name. Okay, this is empty objects in Python list concept. We discussed how to creating the empty objects. So using this square brackets assigned to the variable. And I want to add some students, guys. For that one function I want to create. So add students. Simply add student. Student contains student name, student age, and student grade, student marks, okay, student address, like whatever you want, you can create. Just three names I'm taking. Name, age, grade. Function with some parameters, guys. At the time of defining, if any parameter there, at the time of calling, same number of arguments we have to send it. Okay. So now, just remember this one. Later I will write logics, and this is my function. So I want to call my function, guys. So whenever I'm calling function, I have to send the values. I have to send the values here. For example, I'm going to send name is student name is Srini, and age is, for example, 30 days. Okay, age is 30, for example. Grade, guys, A grade. Okay, simply. Okay, it's like I'm giving. So now these three values sending to these three parameters. Using these three parameters, one student object I want to create. Okay, so in Python dictionary, how we are creating using the curly brace concept with the key column value format. Key value format. So now here, student name. Student name is so and so name. This is user entered name. And next student age. This one, guys, age. So and so age. This is the entered age. And next same like that grade. Okay. So now here grade. Okay. So this dictionary object, guys, if you want like this also, key column value format vertically also you can create. That is all your wish. Okay. This is the student object. So left side values, left side keys, guys, anything you can give it, and right side things are these parameters, values. Okay. So now this is a student object. This student object want to add this empty list. This student object I want to add to this empty list. How can I add it, guys? How can we add it? So this is a list. In this list, I want to add this student object. How we are adding? Come on, give it play. Are you remembering how to add the elements into the set? Sorry, into the list. No one is giving replies. Okay, now here the append method we can use, guys. By using the append method, we can add elements into the list. So this is my student. This is my student. So this student object using the append method adding to this empty list. It means this is going to replacing here, guys, internally. Okay. So after adding this student, I want to return. So return F-string concept in Python. F-string concept I explained. So before the quotations, F we are using as, and we can display it. So now here student so and so. Right now, first student which name Srini. Okay, student Srini created like I want to display, guys. So student so and so name added added successfully added successfully. This message I want to return whenever a student created. So here if I'm sending Ashok, guys, then the student Ashok added successfully. Like that, after adding one student into this empty list, then immediately the confirmation message you're going to get it. Okay, now? So yes. Now one student added, guys, one student added. So after adding student, I want to get the student, guys. So for that, one more function I want to create, guys, for accessing related. Simply get student. So here, if multiple students adding, so list of students there, that's why get students like I'm creating. So now for this, no parameters required. Simply, I want to return this students. So here list of students there. So now whenever I'm calling this one, so those all students are going to returning. Those all students are going to return, guys. Okay. So this is just one module only, guys. Just one module. For example, see here. For example, here, this is a function. So whenever I'm calling, this first student is adding, and next one more time you can call. Immediately you can check it, guys. So here, Ashok I'm giving, okay, and 35 I'm giving, and next B grade like something giving, guys. Okay. So now execute, and okay, no problem. Now execute. See, guys, here. Okay, no output is there. No output is there. Why? Why no output is there? So here this return statement is written to here. So whenever we are printing, then we are able to see the data. Okay, print like we can write, and the next print. Okay, we can write like this. So now here, so student Srini added successfully. Student Ashok added successfully. Okay, two students added, guys. So after adding two students, I want print available students, guys. All available students. So get students. Okay, this is a function, guys. Get students. Whenever I'm calling this one, the students returning. So from where you are getting the students? So this is variable. This is a what? Global variable. Okay, global object, guys. Outside the functions, if available, considering like a global object or global variable, whatever. Okay. So this name from here onwards, anywhere we can use. That's why I used it here. Okay. So okay, after this print, and next can execute. Check it, guys, here. See, list of object one, object two there, guys. Two objects there now. List of two objects there. All of you clear so far? What I did coding? First empty object I created, and for adding students related one function I created. For getting students related one more function I created. So whenever I'm calling this add student function, so given values, every object is like one student object. So number of objects we can add it, and whenever calling this one, available students return, like list format, list of students objects returned. Okay, now. So like this, we are creating a module, adding and getting related. I'll do. So these are callings. Later I'll call it, guys. Okay. So I don't want to call here. Simply, I'll put comment right now. Just for your understanding, I created. So next, one more module I want to create. A student module over. Same like that. Teachers module we will create as control N, control ES. And directly showing the current location module. And now here, reduce this size. And now here, create it. So instead of students here, now teachers, empty teachers object creating, and the next add teacher, add teacher. So now for teacher, teacher name is what, teacher subject is what, like can add it. Simply teacher is teacher subject. Okay, just the two fields only I'm adding here for teacher. So now here, create the teacher object. Teacher equal to name, and this subject. This key can be any name, guys. Okay, here, this is user entered value. Now next, so into this list of into this teacher's list object, I want to add this teacher object. I want to add this teacher object. So after that, teacher so and so added successfully, like that, returning as so and so teacher name displaying. Okay, which teacher we are adding, the name displaying. Now like that, create one more function for reading the available teachers. So same like this, guys. Okay, now teachers. and we're going to return teachers. Okay, so this is about the teachers module. Next, course module I want to create. Course module. So one more module, and now here copy paste. So here courses, courses like I'm taking, and now here course, add course. So now course related, which fields you want, guys? Okay, decide those fields and create it. So for example, here course name, guys. Course name I want, course name I want, and this course teaching by which teacher. Okay, so here teacher name, course name, teacher name. I want to store it here. Okay, now. So now here in this place, course name, and this one teacher related, teacher name and teacher name. And now here you can use course related. Okay. So now here into this courses, I want to add this particular course. And the next here, so and so course, so and so course name added successfully, like that display. Okay. Same like student related only, teachers and course related I created this. So now here adding this name, get courses. So now here return courses, return the courses. Understanding, guys? So totally 3 modules I created right now. So far the 3 modules created. Nothing created, guys. Just follow this structure. First create one folder. A folder, inside that create one initialization file. Then this folder is considering like a Python package. Inside that create one Python file with name as students.py. Okay. So in this file, 2 functions, guys. One is which one? Add student. Add student. It contains the name of the student, age of the student, and the grade of the student. Okay. So now here the logics as per your requirement you can write. And next one more function also. One more function here. Okay. So def get students. Okay. So here some logics. So like this in every module, guys. In teacher module also add teachers, get teachers. In the courses, add courses, add course, get courses. Like that I created. So adding related, getting related. Getting means reading related. Okay, now? So like this. Inside this folder only you have to create all the modules. And outside package, normal main.py you can create. Okay. So now these all files created, guys. This is the initialization file, student module, teacher module, course module. Okay, now? And next control N, control S. So I don't want to save in this file. This is a normal folder. Modules is a normal folder. So here I want to create one main.py. I want to create one main.py. So this is a main module, guys. So here I want to import my package. I want to import my package here, guys. Okay. So how importing? Check it here. From school management, from our package. So what is our package? This is our package name. Okay. So from the package, simply from this package, I want to import. Star. If I'm using star, then the students, teachers, courses, all importing. For example, if I'm using only students, only student module importing. In this package, we have 3 modules: students, teachers, courses. So out of all, what module we are importing? Only student module importing. students module. Okay, so if you want other modules also, teachers module also, and courses module also. If this line, if you are feeling like it is looking like more lengthy, so then you can break it like this also, guys. You can break it like this also, no problem. Okay, in between the parentheses, you can write it. Okay, so now 3 modules I import this. So in every module, two functions there. Those all functions we are able to use it. Okay, so now coming to the students module, here I commented. So now this code you can write it. Mhm. Now here, first I'll write comment, add the students. Okay, add the students. For this purpose, 2 students data I added, guys. How many students? So first student, the second student, like 2 students added. So if you want to hear the A grade or normal school standards related 8th grade, 9th grade, like that, you can write. This is all your wish. Okay. So for example, if you want A grade, B grade, okay, like this you can display. So 2 students I added. Same like that, 2 teachers I want to add it, guys. 2 teachers I want to add it. All I will call it at one time, guys. Okay. So here add the students. Same like that. Add the teachers. Okay, add the teachers. Now here function, which function we are using? Teacher. Add teacher. Okay, and here also add teacher. If we are using IDs, guys, like a PyCharm ID or Atom ID, Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code, Visual Code Studio. So when we are typing 1 or 2 letters, the full names are automatically coming. Code intelligence there, guys. Okay. So now here for teacher, only teacher name and another parameter is what? State. So teacher name and subject we required, guys. So teacher name is what? That is you can enter, guys, here. Teacher name. For example, here something student name is like Virat. I'm entering, and here okay 25. I'm entering 25. I mean no need of this 25. So teacher name and subject we want. Okay, teacher name and subject is. So here something subject name can write here. Mathematics. I'll give it, and next here there's something Rohit, and now here so English subject. Okay, so like 2 subjects only for teachers. And next two more course related I want to add it. So here add courses. So for this purpose here course. So course related here, course name and teacher name. Course name and teacher name related we require as for courses related. Okay, so here course related Python course. Okay, and who are the teachers here? Virat and Rohit there is. So you can take it something. For example, here the Rohit teaching, and next the Django. Okay, Django. We are calling technically Django. D silent letter S. So now here Virat. Virat, like I'm giving. Okay, so finally 2 students, 2 teachers, 2 courses I added okay, in every object, guys. So later I want to access, I want to display the data. So I want to display the data, guys. We are displaying here, display data simply. So if we want to display data, print statement we have to use. So now here first students list. Simply students list. Okay, this is the string message. I want to display students list, guys. Okay, so here students list. So you can write here students dot so students dot get students. So here students what this one. Just wait, guys. Okay. So now calling add students, add teacher, add course related. Now I want to call this get related guys. So here the get teachers, get students like separately there. So we can call them guys. We can call them. So here students simply first check it here. Okay, already here there, no problem. Get students. Okay, simply get student. Get the students like I'm writing. So now just this is working or not, check it guys. So here so far execute it. So school management system package initialized as. So here add student is not defined. Add student is not defined. Why it is coming error? Come on, let me know. I did one small mistake. That's why this error came. Are you identifying? Name error is coming. Add student is not defined. Hmm? So this add student property, this add student function is available in where? In this module available. Directly I imported module. Here I imported module. If I'm importing module, in that module, whatever the property is there, if I want to use that property, here module name dot property name required to use. Module name dot property name. Okay, without module name I used and you all people blindly following. So more than 50 people there, all people blindly watching, or else myself identifying or not checking. And next, previously how many ways we are importing, I explained, you have to remember that one. Okay, so now properly adding, and here also same like this, students dot get students. So now execute. Okay, so here school management initialized. This is because of the initialization file. Every time it is executing, so students creating, teachers creating course related mistake there guys. Course related, come to the course. So here course related there. Okay, so two courses given, names are given, and coming to the which module, name is not defined. Okay, so now add course. So where it is there in the course module is there. So go to the course, and now here course name. Okay, course name, teacher name, and this one. Okay, here the mistake there. Okay, so you have to use this one. Whenever we are copy pasting as properly we need to do. So in this place, course name dynamically displaying. Okay, so now here, say main module, you have to execute the main module. Okay, so now here you're getting all the students adding related, only first student related you're getting guys. I mean only students list of information you're getting. So now check it. Every time after adding this one, one print statement I want for gap related, guys, for understanding purpose. And now here this one. And next here /n in Python, /n representing new line, /n representing new line. So because of that, so here the one line you are getting gap. Okay, here students list of students there is. So now same like this, one more one. So here I'm going to use teachers list. So for that purpose here teachers dot
Get students and get teachers.
Get teachers. And next courses related. Courses list.
Courses dot
Courses.
get courses.
Courses. Okay. So because of this /n, guys, a line gap, new line you're getting. See here. So teachers information is there here. Teachers information. Okay, you can take it like this only, no problem. Now you can see here.
Students
so here the
information,
two students added,
students
two teachers
information,
added,
two
courses
courses are-
added, and next here the students list, teachers list, and course list all getting. So course name Python, teacher name Rohit. This course teaching by Rohit. And here another course name Django, teacher name Virat, like that we created. So when we are using the Django, guys, relationships also we can provide. If we are using the Django framework, relationships also we can use it. UI presentation we are developing, HTML forms we are developing. So whenever we are adding the students, guys, whenever we are adding the teachers here, whenever we are adding the teacher, this teacher is teaching which subject. So this is from this course automatically getting, guys. Okay. So like that, links also we can provide between the all the records, guys, when we are using the frameworks. Come on, all of you understanding this one? So here first what I did, one package I created, school management package I created. Inside that one initialization file I created, and next inside that only, so 3 modules I created. In each module, adding related, getting related I created, guys, with required parameters. Okay, finally one main module I created outside the package. In this module, from this package, all the modules I imported and I executed. Okay, so directly modules, if we are importing, guys, in the main module, from this package, modules are imported. That's why every time module name dot like you have to use. Otherwise, if you want, you can also import like this, guys. If you want, you can also import like this from package name dot students import, for example, star. Okay, like if we are using, so because of this star symbol, guys, because of this star import from the module, this is the package. In this package, this is the module. In this package, what are the functions they're all importing. That time directly you can use add student without the students. This is what module name. Without the module name, directly function name we can use it. At the time of calling also here, without the module name, directly function name we can use. Understanding? So that is all your wish, guys. Which one you are importing? So here, if you want to import like this, 3 imports required. Next for teachers also. In this place, teachers import to star. One more time, courses import to star, like that. We have to import it. Okay, now. So for example, when you are learning Django, guys, so here the Django is like one package assumption. Inside that number of module there. In every module, number of functions there. So whatever we want, we can import them and we can use them.
So second line is irrelevant, sir.
This is also can use it. If you are using like this, the 3 statements required.
If you are using the first line, this line is not needed.
Yes. So if I'm writing like this, here you have to use like this module names. Okay, then no need of importing this line. These 3 lines, if you are using all functions importing here. Okay, students function, teacher function, course function. Then here, these names not required. So without like this, you can call it directly. Are you clear? So that is all your ways. Here, okay, I did with this one, and now here, no need of these things. So if we want both also we can import, guys. Both also we can import. So because of this one, module name dot property name. Property means function name we can use. Next time without this module name, directly I can use this one, no problem. So because of this, I can use. But both if we are using performance wasting, loading. Okay, here one time loading, here one more time loading, like these all things. Any one type only we are using generally. Okay, so remember that.
Sir, if I call go up, sir. Move up, sir. Up. From school management, import star.
Hmm.
Only
Import
star
to
I will put that.
import to star means these all importing.
All will come. Then what is the in print? How we will use, sir, in that case?
Here also same syntax. So
So
star means
student dot.
every module is coming. Again, you have to use the module name dot its function name.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay.
So if you don't want import like this, simply star. Okay.
Then
Sometimes
also I need to print a student dot add student.
yeah,
Add.
module name dot function name.
Okay.
Syntax follow. Module name and its property name. So how many ways we are importing, like separately explained. Okay, when you are doing practice, different ways. One time like this, one time like this, one time directly. For example, if I'm using like this, import school management. Can I import like this or not? Yes, we can import directly module name or package name. We can import. If I'm importing like this, next time here, what need to write means, so school management dot students dot add student, like more lengthy syntax coming every time. Understanding? So package name dot module name dot function name. So here also same like that, and next here also same like that. So instead of writing like that every time more lengthy line, so like this separately we can import it. Okay. Yes, these all things I explained, guys, already. So do the practice. Okay. So now in this program, I did this school management with the 3 modules related. Okay. So here, different variations also there, guys. Different variations also there. We have initialization file. Inside the initialization file, if I'm importing any functions, like for example, only add student, if I'm importing inside the initialization file from school management dot students, this one, guys, dot students, import add student. Like if I'm importing inside the initialization file, next time wherever you want to use that add student function, from the package name directly can import without the module name. Without the module name, directly from the package name only. If we want to use any property name, just wait, guys. Yes, yes. So inside the initialization file, if we are importing any function, that function directly from the package only we can import inside the modules. No need of module name directly like this. Okay. So remember that syntax. Those all syntax related examples there in the material. Already I uploaded packages related material. Check it, guys. So, and one more assignment I'm giving to you guys. Try to do total code operations, guys. Code operations. Code operations. Code operations means create, update, read, delete. Right now I did only creating and reading related. Update, delete also there. Okay. And also here in these functions, guys, static names are given, guys. Okay. For example, students, comes to here main function. So here the directly I given here names like this. Okay. Na? So these all names from the user I want to take it. Enter the student name, enter the student age, enter the student grade. Like that I want to ask, then user entering the data, and that data I want to submit to the student list. Okay, na? So are you ready to do like that? Okay, I'll show you one structure also for that. Okay, see guys, again here the student management system for console based project purpose we are developing. So here I want to add the students, view the students, update the students, delete the students, and exit operation also I want to write it. So in last session, calculator application I did guys, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, like that. Okay, from the user only asking the input guys, reading the data, user wants to do addition or subtraction or multiplication, like that. So when user entered 1, addition, when user entered 2, subtraction, 3, multiplication, 4, division, 5, wants to exit. Any other number if entering, please enter the valid option, like that I displayed. Are you remembering? Same like that, console based application means from the user, you have to read the input, and based on that input, you have to execute the proper function. Okay, na? So inside the while loop, you can create these all properties related, guys. So for example, this is for 1, this is for 2, like that you can make it. Okay, na? So if user entered 1, they want to do add a student. If user entered 2, they want to see the student's information. If user entered 3, they want to update the student information. If they want to update the student information, every student having roll number, based on the roll number can update it. Okay, so check it here. Student object fields, these 4 fields you can consider: student ID, student name, student age, student class. Okay, na? So 4 fields there is ID, name, age, class. Whenever you want to update, based on the ID, you can update it. If that ID based the student available, you can update, or else student not found, like that display. And if you want to delete, based on the ID, you can delete from the list. So using append method, we added elements, we added a student object into the list. Same like that, from the student list object, if we want to delete, then we have a remove method, we have a pop method, like some methods we discussed in the list concept. Okay, so from the existing list, number of students there, based on the ID, where that ID is matching, that ID based object you can delete. All of you clear? So this is your assignment. Already I did project clearly here, but I'm not showing that. I'm giving this assignment to you. Try to do, guys. Then your thinking skills coming. Okay, now take it if you want. One photo, this one, snapshot. I want these 4 features. And in every student object, these 4 fields. Total code operation related to it. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. So now up to here, guys, 4 Python concepts are completed. So you can consider like that. And later onwards, advanced Python related we'll discuss. So last topic is what, guys? Last topic, Python packages related we discussed. What is package, how to creating package, what is the purpose of the package, and a package contains what, and how we are using those modules and all. Okay, na? So before this Python modules concept we discussed, guys. And before that, Python functions, Python functions concept. These all are important topics. These all 3 concepts together like one family, like one chapter. These all 3 concepts like one chapter you can consider. Okay, it is like one module, total 3 concepts. So when coming to here functions, guys, what is function, purpose of the function, how to creating function, how to executing function, and predefined functions related, user defined functions related, and normal regular function, lambda keyword functions related, and types of arguments related. We discussed so many points. Okay, so next, before the functions, what we discussed, guys? Python data type comprehension. Simply Python comprehensions concept. Python comprehensions. Come on, let me know how many types of comprehensions are there. How many types of comprehensions are there in Python? Are you remembering?
How many types of comprehensions are in Python?
How many types? We have 4 types of comprehension. Some people giving 3 only. 4 types, and what are those? You have to remember, and list comprehension related syntax if you are remembering, and remaining all automatically you are able to write the logics. Okay, and before that, guys, Python data structures related, simply data types. Python data types related, we discussed, guys. So here data types are mainly divided like 2 groups. One is immutable data types. One is immutable data types group, and another one is mutable data types groups, guys. Mutable data type groups. So when coming to here, when coming to immutable related, so numbers there is numbers related there. So numbers means int, float, complex related there. Okay, and next booleans related, guys. Boolean related, simply we are calling like a bool. Okay, true false related, we are considering like a bool data type. And next strings, guys. Next strings. So here we are calling like a just str. And another one tuples. Okay, simply tuple concept. So tuple data type related. Okay, these are the major types. And when coming to the mutable related, so major type is list related, simply list type. And next sets, simply sets related, guys, set related. Okay, and next dictionary, related. So we have a dict data type. When coming to the sets, guys, so 2 types of sets there. So one more set is Trojan set. So that Trojan set also, comes under the immutable type only. Okay, so like this. All of you understanding what I'm saying? Enough. So check it like this one by one, previous topics revision related. So before the data types, we discussed which topic? Python controlling statements. Python controlling statements, guys. So how many types of controlling statements are there here?
How many types of
We have
controlling
3
statements
types
are
of
there?
controlling statements. So one is conditional, statements, also called as decision making statements. Okay, and the next looping statements, also called as iterative statements, guys. Iterative statements. And another one is
Jump
transfer
statement.
statements, are also called as jump statements. Okay, so like we have 3 types. And again in loop, for loop, while loop related there, in conditions, so if, else related there, nested conditions there. So here the break, continue keywords major we are discussing, and pass keyword related also we discussed. So far here any topic confusion is there? Is there any confusion? And all topics related materials and codings I sent. So check it, open the material and check it. And before the controlling statements, so which topics we completed, guys? Controlling statements. For example, Python tokens, like we can consider Python tokens concept. So here the number of topics we discussed, guys. So one is Python quotations related, guys. Python quotations. And another one is Python comments. Come on, let me know How many types of comments there? How many types of comments there in Python? Madhusmita, 3. What are those? What are those? We have 2 types only, no 3 types. What is the third type? If you are telling, I will learn. Then why you given 3? How many types of comments I asked there? Okay, single line comment, multi-line comment, single line comment using as symbol, multi-line comments using the triple single quotation or triple double quotation. Okay, so next quotations. Here quotations means here 3 types of quotations there is: single quotation, double quotation, triple quotation. 3 times single, 3 times double, like that. Okay, for creating single line string, single quotation, double quotation we can use. For creating multi-line string, triple single quotation or triple double quotation we can use. Okay, in between the quotations, anything we can write, that is considering like a string. Come on, let me know in this quotation, what is escaping character in Python? What is escaping character in Python? What is escaping character in Python? Not forward slash, backslash. Okay, so 2 types of slashes given, a lot of people. Backslash symbol, considering like a escaping character. Okay, that purpose and all we discussed. Okay, now quotations, comments, and the keywords. For example, keywords. How many types of how many keywords there? How many keywords there? We have a 35 keywords. Okay, na? So 32. 35 guys. 2 days I explained about the keywords. The 35 keywords there. All keywords available in the keyword module, predefined keyword module. Inside that KW list is there. For example, now check it here. Import keyword, like this, importing. In this keyword module, we have a KW list. Then you're going to get all available keywords. How many are there? If you want to know, we have a len function. So len of keyword list. Okay, then 35 keywords you're getting. Okay, na? So this is the latest version, Python 3.13. In Python 3.13, now 35 keywords there. Latest version. Okay, na? Remember that. So here a lot of questions coming as what is keyword? What is the purpose of the keyword? Can we use a keyword as an identifier? How to identify a given word is a keyword or not? How to identify a given word is a keyword or not? By color. Different IDs, if you are using different colors showing guys. Using ideally you are getting this color. If you are using PyCharm, you are not getting this color. Okay, membership operators we discussed. For example, this is and. Okay, and in so available keywords all available here. This is object, simply list object. So if this and is available in this sequence, then returns true, otherwise return false. Okay, what I given? Okay, this is a missing guys. Now true return means that is a keyword. False return means that is not a keyword. That is one concept. Otherwise, in keyword module, is keyword function is there. To this function, our input we can enter. If that is a keyword, return true. Otherwise, return false. For example, something, then false returned. Okay. So like this, okay, guys. So keywords related, and next here, identifiers related, identifiers concept, and next here, variables concept related, and next here, example syntax rules related also we discussed, and indentation related also we discussed, guys. Indentation related, and constants related we discussed. Constants variables using the capital letters we are writing. Okay. No separate keyword is there for representing constants. Like normal variables only we can create, but with uppercase letters, considering like constants. It is just like a coding standard only. And literals, guys, literals, literals related, nothing but data types only. Okay. And next here, Python operators related we discussed. Okay, these all are separate concepts. So here only many days we spent, guys. Okay. So again, when coming to here, when coming to the operators, several types of operators there: arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, membership operators, identity operators, like that. Okay, these all are basic tokens concept. And here, typecasting functions related. Typecasting functions, every data type related one typecasting function is there. So purpose of the typecasting functions, and what is typecasting, how to do typecasting. How many types of typecastings there? How many types of castings there, guys? Or simply how many types of conversions there? Two types. One is implicit type conversion, and another one is explicit type conversion. For implicit some example, for explicit some example you have to prepare. Okay. Type conversion. And typecasting functions related we discussed. And next here, how to read the data from user using keyboard. Okay, how to read the data from the user using keyboard. How we are reading, guys? How we are reading the data from the user using keyboard? Using input function. Okay, it is very good. And next, for reading purpose, okay, this one. Okay, for output purpose, which function we are using? Return, just returning only, not displaying. Print function. Okay. Input output related, for input purpose input function, for output purpose print function we are using. Simply how to display the data in Python. Sometimes people confusing input output functions in Python, what are available, like asking for input related input function, for output related print function. Okay. So any other topics, guys? So here only separately data types, fundamental data types, collection data types, like we discussed, guys. So what is fundamental, what is collection, like all discussed. Okay. So before the tokens, Python downloading and installation, and Python path setup related we discussed today. And before that, Python futures, Python advantages, Python history, Python versions, and why Python is having demand in the IT industry. Like all these points we discussed today. Okay, na? So check it, guys. These all things just I given revision. So every topic again, if you're cross checking only, you'll remember it. And so far, what are the keywords we completed? So far, what are the keywords we completed? Nearly 25 keywords we completed, guys. 25 keywords we completed. For example, here recently modules. Modules are packages related we discussed. So in modules, what are the keywords we completed in modules? So import keyword, from keyword, as keyword. Totally count 3 keywords, guys. Okay. So in module packages, both are same only. So before the modules, functions concept related. So here, what keywords we used, guys? Def keyword we used. Come on, let me know. Functions related keywords. Today concept over, guys. Anyone having other classes, you can leave it. Come on, give reply fastly. So def keyword for normal function, lambda keyword for lambda functions, and for return the result related return keyword. Any other things? Only 3 only used, or any other keywords also used?
Global.
Yes, global keyword. And any other? No local keyword. No local keyword. Non-local keyword is there. For inner functions related, outer function, inner function, I explained, their non-local keyword we used. Inner function variable scope making available to outer function, this non-local keyword we are using. Okay, these 5 keywords we are using as mainly. Okay, so far we discussed about these things. Okay, now? So before the functions, what is their comprehension? So here we are not using any separate keyword. And before that, data types. In data types also no separate keywords, guys. Okay. So now here we used some keywords. Okay. And here we used, and here we used, and here we used. Coming to this transfer statements related. So here some keywords we used. What is break keyword, continue keyword, and pass keyword. So totally 3 keywords we used here. And next, when coming to the loop, so here for and while. Actually, inside the for and while only this break and continue we are using, but separately dividing like this. Okay. So when coming to the conditional statements related, now here if, elif, else. So totally 3 here, and here 2 more, guys. 2 more. Okay. So before the controlling statements, so here no keyword, here no keyword, type conversions also no keyword, and in operators any keywords there? In operators, so in operators we used keywords, guys.
And or not.
Here lot of types of operators there. For example, logical operators. So when coming to the logical operators here, and or not. So 3 keywords we used here. 3 keywords. And next, membership operators. Membership operators. Here what are the keywords?
In, not in.
In, not in. So keyword count is only 1. Only 1. These 2 are the operators, in, not in operators. So not repeated, in also repeated. This is just one key, one operator only, not a keyword separately. Okay, na? Just 1 you can count. And next, identity operators. Identity operators. So here is not. Is not. Again here keyword count is 1 only. So simply in operators, 5 keywords we are using. Okay, how many are coming totally? So here 5 keywords right now. So 3, 5, 8, 11, 13, 16, 17, 18, 21. Okay. So deleting related guys, deleting purpose, we used one keyword, del keyword. Okay. So now 22. Before that, Boolean representation related, Boolean representation purpose, we use 2 keywords, true and false. Okay. So 24 keywords, and null representation or nothing representation. Okay. And now here we used what? None. So totally 25 keywords is. These all keywords behavior. Are you remembering or not? Check it. Any keyword they may ask it. 25 keywords are totally coming right now. And coming chapters there. So there some other keywords later also will get it. Okay, 10 more keywords there. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for this session. So tomorrow file handling concept I'll discuss. Advanced Python chapter guys. Up to this packages concept can consider like a core Python. So these core Python concepts are very, very important. Don't miss it guys. Do practice. Okay, don't postpone it. And tomorrow onwards, file handling, Python based file handling, how we are doing, we'll discuss. So from next chapter onwards, out of these all chapters guys, so whatever the concepts we required, those things we are using directly. So if any for loop concept required, directly we are using for loop. Any while loop required, using. Any break keyword, continue keyword, conditions, so wherever required, there we are using. So right now today packages concept I explained. There Python list related I used guys. So empty list object I created. Append method I used for adding the student object into the empty list. Okay, like that depending on the situations. And the dictionary also I used in the today topic. For creating the student object with the key value format. So like that here previously separately discussed guys. So later onwards, depending on the situations, we are using these data types concept. Okay, now? Yes. Thank you. Thank you for this session. See you tomorrow.
Recording stopped.